Finally tonight, more on right-wing Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia and his comment that the Constitution doesn't protect women from discrimination. Well, back in 1971, the Supreme Court ruled unanimously that the Equal Protection Clause protected women from discrimination. Scalia might need to take a refresher course on the Constitution he's sworn to uphold. Later this month, he's scheduled to be a guest speaker at Michelle Bachmann's conservative constitutional seminar. Should be a dandy. For more on this, let's bring in Joan Walsh, editor-in-large, Salon.com. Is this who they really are? Joan, what do you think?
Yes, no doubt about it. This is who they really are. I mean, Ed, thanks for noting that, yes, the Supreme Court ruled unanimously that the 14th Amendment does apply to women, so I think we're safe. Because otherwise, you know, it wouldn't apply to Jews, it wouldn't apply to Latinos, it wouldn't apply to black women, by the way, apparently, if he really believed that it was only to establish the citizenship of former slaves, which was a worthy goal. I'm glad we did that. But subsequently, Supreme Court have applied it to all of us. It's a really, really important guarantee of our rights. But you know, the really ironic thing to me, the disgrace here, is that Scalia used the 14th Amendment when he ruled in Bush versus Gore in 2000 and made his buddy George W. Bush our president. He used equal protection to say that Bush was not being protected by Florida using different ways of counting ballots in different counties. So if this is supposed to apply to the citizenship of black men, only men, I don't see how this rich white guy got the presidency based on equal protection. It's so ideological, it is ridiculous.
This is the hero of the Republican Party. I mean, this is the model that they want to put on the Supreme Court. How offended are you by this, and how, not to overstate it, how dangerous is this?
You know what? It's not dangerous. I'm sorry, because it's ridiculous. He is writing more than half the country out of this protection. The other, you know, I think really specious thing that he keeps saying is, hey, if you don't want discrimination against women, and if you've got support, write the laws and pass the laws. Well, do you know what that means, Ed? That means if you want discrimination against women in Mississippi or some state, then you can write those laws and pass those laws. Our rights are fundamental. But you know what? This is a minority crackpot position. I'm sorry. He is said to be respected on the bench. He is an ideologue and he is a bully, and this will not stand. We have nothing to worry about here.
Joan Walsh, Salon.com. Always a pleasure. Great to have you with us tonight. Thank you.